Hello and welcome to another vlog. Picking right up where I left off with my last vlog, I think I had filmed like the first 4 days after my surgery. Yesterday was day 5, today is day 6, I believe. Yesterday was basically my 5th day and today is my 6th day since surgery, and yesterday was like night and day from the previous day. Day 4 was when I ended the vlog, and that was by far the worst day of all. I mean, I was in so much pain, I could not open my eyes. But yesterday, I woke up and it was a world of a difference. Now I could open up my eyes, I could finally start to see, but what I will say is day 5 and today, I feel like I've got double vision. Like I can see better than I could without my glasses before the surgery, but everything is like, it's kind of like double vision. So I can't see clearly yet. So I'm just trying to be patient, but it is kind of weird. It kind of gives me a headache trying to look around too much. With PRK, I don't know if I mentioned this in the previous vlog, but they do put on like contact bandages on the eyes for 7 days to help them with the healing process. So I have those removed on Thursday. This morning, little story time, I woke up to a ginormous bug in my room, and as I tried to crawl out the end of my bed, I jammed my toe, and now I feel like my toe is broken. I'm gonna show you. Here is my toe that I stubbed. It's already swollen. And I feel like I can't move it. Oh, it hurts so bad. Just a little update on my toe. Oh, I can't put any pressure on it now at all. She is nice and purple and throbbing. It has been exactly a week since I had my PRK surgery, and I'm at the eye doctor's office now. It is super rainy and cloudy out, which is good because my eyes are still super sensitive, which is why I still have on sunglasses. Very sensitive, but I do feel like I'm seeing clearer. Today is the day that they have to take off the contact bandages that are on my eyes. So I'm a little nervous about that just because I don't know if they do they numb your eye? I know they have to take it out with with like tweezers. So a little nervous about that, but I am ready to have them out, and hopefully it will speed up the healing process now that they're out and all of that. So I'll keep you guys posted, but I'm going in now to get that done. All right, we are done. My eyes are actually numb right now. They do put numbing drops in your eyes before they take the contact lens out. It was the weirdest feeling. Oh my goodness. Very weird feeling when they took them out. I do have another antibiotic that I have to get filled. And now I have to put like gel in my eyes every single night. It's a lot to remember. Like you have to be using drops every single hour. Again, looking forward, it's going to be so worth it in the end. It's just, I'm definitely going to have to set reminders on my phone because ain't no way that I'll be able to remember all this. But this is what my eyes are looking like. I definitely have a little bit of double vision still. They said that's totally normal. And yeah, that is where we're at. Really been in the mood long. Well, get in the mood. All right, making progress.
Would you like to let them know what you're doing?
The piece is so thin. Well, it's just because they're thin.
This is great lighting.
It's awful lighting in here. I'm making chicken chili since it went from 100 degrees to 50 degrees overnight. Apparently, we just went ahead and skipped out on fall.
Here's the kitty. Say hello.
I really felt very positive.
That is the cutest clip I think I've ever taken. You have to put that in. Hello.
Hello.
Oh my goodness, that is so cute.
What's up, everyone? I am eating a bowl of the chicken chili that I made yesterday. It's so good. Literally, as soon as it starts getting the least bit chilly outside, I'm all about chili, no pun intended. But this is literally so good. If you guys want the recipe, let me know and I will share it. But I just wanted to give you guys another little update about my eyes. I had the bandages removed, and then immediately I really couldn't see anything. And they did say that the vision would get worse before it got better. And yesterday I couldn't see anything. Everything was so blurry. It was like so double vision that I couldn't really see anything. Today, my eyesight is definitely better, but my eyes have that burning sensation again like they did day 3 and 4, but not to that extreme. They're definitely a little bit more burny, a little more sensitive today, but that is where I'm at, and I am day like 8, I think, post-op. I don't want to scare anyone that is looking into this type of surgery. Obviously, if you're able to have LASIK, then that's amazing because it's a much easier recovery. But if you do have to have PRK just because you're not a candidate of LASIK, I still think that it's worth it. I don't want to scare anybody away. I just want to be real with you guys and let you know what my recovery really has been like, and it hasn't been easy. All in all, I'm still so happy I had it done, and I can definitely, like, looking out the window right now, I cannot believe that I can see some of the trees pretty clearly. I mean, it's still a bit of double vision, but way clearer than what I ever would have been able to see without my glasses and contacts. So I see the light at the end of the tunnel. I see things getting better and better, and I'm just really excited for my vision to be 100% clear and be able to see perfectly. Totally worth it in the end. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and eat my chili and fill my belly. All right, see you later. So I came with my daughter to TJ Maxx. We just came for a candle. So far, this is our cart. All these cute little rugs. I think I'm gonna put these on our couch. Oh no. Came for a candle. Came for a candle. Made lettuce wraps. They are so yummy. What's up, everyone? So my eyes are currently so sensitive. I feel like a broken record. Like, it's been almost 2 weeks, and this recovery has been, it's been rough. It's been rough. My eyes are so sensitive that I can't even go without wearing sunglasses in my house. I wanted to show you guys something that helped me tremendously as far as sleep throughout this recovery. I think it's really important to make sure that you have things in place when you're going to have surgery that's really going to help you be as comfortable as possible, and this is something that definitely helped me. I've actually talked about this product in a previous video, the Sleep and Glow pillow. I took the pillowcase off so that you guys can see what it looks like. This is the original Sleep and Glow pillow. I had this in my anti-aging secrets video. I absolutely love it. It is made so that you don't get like creases on your face. It's literally to like help you reduce the chance of wrinkles on the face and creasing and all of that stuff. This is the original, but what I wanted to show you is they just came out with an improved version, if you will, which I loved this one, but they sent me this one right here, and I love this one even more. So actually it goes like this. So this one is called the Omnia, and it's basically the same exact concept, but this one actually comes with an additional layer of foam so that you can basically customize it to what is more comfortable for you. So here's the additional piece of foam that you, again, I took the pillowcase off of this so that you could see, but you just stack it up together if you want it to be a little bit thicker. What I have found is I actually love it with it being a little bit thinner. I feel like it fits my neck better. This is actually made with extra comfort memory foam, which is an upgrade from the original Sleep and Glow. So I have been obsessed with this. I'm just gonna show you quickly how you put it. So it goes behind your neck like this, and the thinner piece is right here. There's a thin side and then a thick side. The thin piece is what goes right around your neck, and this is how you lay to sleep. So when you turn over, your face is not smushed up against your pillow, if that makes sense. So you don't get that creasing. And I'm a side sleeper, so this is like perfect for me. What made this so amazing during eye surgery is that obviously you don't want to be smushed against your pillow with your eyes. Like, you don't want anything rubbing up against your eyes. This really was like a miracle for me because number one, I could lay on my back and I'm like nice and supported and it's super comfortable. But whenever I would turn to my side, I didn't have to worry about, let me take my glasses off for a second. I didn't have to worry about my pillow smushing up against my eyes or messing with my eyes at all. And then, you know, if you turn, there's a divot on each side. So it's like, this is just so helpful. And I'm just obsessed with it. So this is not sponsored in any way, shape, or form. I just wanted to show you guys that this really was such a huge help. I do have a discount code with them. I think it's the Glam Belle 10 and you get $10 off. So if you're interested in a pillow like this, obviously great for anti-aging, but also if you're having any type of eye surgery, would highly recommend getting a pillow like this. I am actually gonna go try and work out. It's gonna be a little difficult because it's hard to wear sunglasses while you're working out. I might try to get my nails done today if I can get an appointment. So that's what's going down, and yeah, that's it. Well, a little turn of events. I did contact the eye doctor today since my right eye has been bothering me so bad. And they did say that it's not normal for me to still be in this much pain with just one eye, and that it's a possibility that the cornea is not healing quite productively as it should. So they may have to put back in a contact bandage. So I have to head back over to the eye doctor today. And I tried to find a ride because I can't drive. So just wanted to fill you guys in on what's going down. Like, this is my PRK recovery journey, and it hasn't been fun. Yesterday, I did go back to the eye doctor, and he said that it looks like my eyes were extremely dry and that I was not producing enough tears, which in turn makes it feel way worse. It actually makes it feel like you've got glass in your eyes. He actually put plugs in my tear ducts to open them up and release more tears, basically. And then he also wants me to do the re-wetting drops every single hour continuously. That was yesterday, and I've already seen a vast improvement that quickly. So I am so happy. Like, I would not be able to stand in front of a window with this camera before that. My eyes are still sensitive, but nothing like it was yesterday and prior to. So I'm so happy that I reached out and asked them if it was normal, because if not, I would have just continued suffering thinking that that was just a normal part of the healing process. That's the update. I'm so happy, but I want to show you guys something that I just got. Oh, I'm so excited. These arrived today. My Impala roller skates. Oh my gosh, they're beautiful. These are so awesome. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. So I know you're probably like, Brandy, are you serious? Roller skates? What the heck? But here's the thing. When I was a teenager, when I was young, roller skating was what we did for fun. Like, that's what we did. I lived at the skating rink. I went every Friday, every Saturday night without fail. It was just a part of my childhood. My whole family was a roller skating family. My aunt on my dad's side was a professional roller skate. She competed in roller skating competitions. I've just always loved it. And I still have my old pair somewhere in here from when I was like literally 14 years old. I really wanted to get a pair to roller skate outside. And I know you're probably like, you're 40 years old. This is probably not a good idea. You gonna break something, you gonna break a bone. But I did get the whole set of like padding and helmet and all of that. I've always done indoor skating rinks, so this is gonna be something new. But I love what an amazing workout it is. So that is the reason that I really got these, is because I really want to do something fun for fitness. I'm sick of the same old workouts. You'll see some of it in the next vlog. Let me just put it that way. But yeah, so that is that. I'm gonna end the vlog there, and I hope you come back and see me try them on for the first time and see if I break my neck or not. Hopefully I won't. Love you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.